Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So NVIDIA is one of the world's most popular technology stocks, known for its AI chips, gaming GPUs, data center hardware, and artificial intelligence infrastructure. The good news that Ally Invest makes it easy to buy NVIDIA stocks in just a few minutes. So this is the complete step-by-step process for buying NVIDIA stock on Ally Invest in 2026. So first thing, open an Ally Invest account. So before buying NVIDIA stock, you will need an Ally Invest brokerage account. So visit Ally Invest, create an account or sign in if you already have an account, and complete identity verification and open a self-directed brokerage account. So now let's say that you already have an account or you just signed up into the Ally Invest. Now you have to fund your account. So before investing, you will need available cash. Okay, so log into Ally Invest, select transfer, okay, or deposit, and link bank accounts, link your bank account and deposit funds. Okay, so after that, cash will be available and you will have buying power ready. Okay, so now search for NVDA. Okay, so once your account is funded, you will have to search for NVDA, like tap the search icon, type NVDA and select NVIDIA Corporation. Okay, so NVIDIA stock page opens and real-time market information display. So now start to buy order. Okay, so as you can see here, select buy, choose your brokerage account and select an order type. Common choices like market order and limit order. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.